everyone guys, this is Michael the Driver, and today we're gonna head to the unboxing of the Cookworks is hand blender. I can't believe it, we're gonna head to the to the unboxing. Yeah, again. And let's go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna check this timer. Okay, so I'm gonna guess another thing about worldwide, and I will skip now. So let's go for it. Okay, 11 minutes, and there you go. Let's go for it. And nice. There you go. That's hand blender. Good look at the box. I'm gonna have hand blender on. Okay, there's a motor and electric hand blender, and that is the box of the juice and make crepes and making loads of ingredients and making. So we got a cup and a hand blender. There you go. Take out all the plastic. So check this. Okay, it's noise. Right, it's very noise. Take and go ahead, open view. Okay. There you go. Yeah, lovely. I'm going to take it out. No bad at all. Okay, I'll see you. So, quick video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed from this of the and finally for one more head instructions over Cookworks and electric hand blender. And that's it for now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed from a Cookworks electric hand blender, and if you like, please let's subscribe, let me know, and see you again in the next video. Cheers!